Yes, ma'am. It's done.
Looks like, okay, perfect. All right. I don't know if you all can see it big, but I'll make sure that
We can
it
see that.
is. It is, right?
We can see
Okay,
that.
perfect. So as always, what are we going to do? Who's going to tell me what time do we start our meeting? Who's going to tell me? I want to see how attentive everybody is. Saibal is saying something. I don't know, to me or to who. Anirudh is smiling or smirking, not smiling. No? Nobody wants to tell? Okay, looks like I'll have to tell. So we are expected to start at 9:05 a.m. Sound slow aa raha hai. Let's see. How is it now? Is it better? Saibal,
Okay.
better? Okay, good.
Okay.
All right, so perfect. So we're going to start at this time, which we are already late by 2 minutes, and end at 9:45. Let's see, what do we have? Similar agenda. We're going to learn new words. We'll also talk about what we learned last time. Does anybody remember one at least word that we remember we talked about last time? Nobody remembered. Look at your notes. Everyone. Do you want me to see or share what we did last time? Next time, say, when you come to the class, go through the words, okay, that we went over. Can you do that for me? Yes, no?
Unmute करके response करिए.
Yes, you will revise it for me? What words we did last
Yes,
time?
yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So let's do that. Aaj, I'm not going to ask you anything, but next time I'm going to test you, because if you don't remember or if you don't try to memorize it or use it in your daily life, then there's no point. You'll forget about it. Correct?
Yes.
So everybody.
Yes. Curious or decided.
Yes, curious and decided. Anirudh, you're looking at your notes now? Good. Good. So
Calm
everybody. Yes.
or find.
Curious or
Find. Find.
Find. Discover.
Discover.
Good. Next time, come prepared, okay?
सारिका मैम
हाँ
वो
जी।
वो जो आप पहले करवा रहे थे वो समझ ही नहीं आया.
नहीं समझ आया?
हाँ मैम.
ओके, तो अभी हम आज नए वर्ड्स करते हैं. अगर नहीं समझ आएगा तो यू हैव टू टेल मी, ओके? सबको मुझे बताना है कि क्या समझ नहीं आया, क्या डिफिकल्ट है, टेल मी. तो हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल लर्न न्यू वर्ड्स. अब ग्रामर भी धीरे धीरे हम विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट, राइट? व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज स्टार्ट विद नाउन, वेरी वेरी बेसिक नाउन. I have a small video that I'm going to play, and we will learn from there, and then I'll give you few questions here and there, and you'll tell me what is a noun, what is a noun in that sentence, okay? And then our story time as always. But today I want each one of you to at least read one line of the story, okay? This way, that's how we will improve our comprehension, our reading. That's the aim, right? You all want to work on your English, correct? You want to be able to communicate in English, right, Saibal? That's the goal. Okay. Khushbu, that's the goal. Anirudh, all aligned with me so far? Okay, let's get started. Let's see. New word. There are 5 new words. First one is disappointed. You must have heard of this word a lot. We say, I'm so disappointed today. I wanted to eat rajma, but I got bhindi. I don't know how many of you like bhindi or not, but you know, disappointment is, we use it very often. What does that mean? It means Hindi mein nirash. मैं आज निराश हो गई, disappoint हो गई. And if you do English to English, sad or displeased because someone or something has failed. You were expecting something, but that didn't happen. That's why you're disappointed. Okay. Embarrassed. Embarrassed is हिंदी में बोलते हैं शर्मिंदा होना या शर्मिंदा करना, right? काफी बार बोलते हैं don't embarrass me. Why are you telling me to do this? You're embarrassing me in front of others, right? किसी को awkward feel कराना या self conscious, what you're not comfortable at but you're supposed to do, so that makes you embarrassed. Enormous, हम लोग ये भी बहुत commonly use करते हैं, actually सारे words काफी commonly use करते हैं, but अब करते हैं हम enormous. Enormous क्या होता है? Something big, विशाल, extremely large. Enormous हम बोलते हैं, oh that's an enormous elephant, or elephant is enormous, elephant is huge, elephant is big, right? हम ऐसे words use करते हैं. Exhausted, कभी आपने बोला है आज तो मैं थक गई या आज तो मैं थक गया, I'm so tired, बोला है? You must have used that word a lot. मैं तो बहुत बोलती हूँ, मैं तो रोज बोलती हूँ I'm so tired, I'm so tired. Tired, another word for that is exhausted. Explore, आपने डोरा द एक्सप्लोरर किसी ने देखा है? एक शो आता है, बहुत अच्छा है, एक मूवी भी है उसकी, डोरा द एक्सप्लोरर. उसमें क्या है, वो जो गर्ल है ना, शी इज इनटू एक्सप्लोरेशन, मींस डिस्कवरी, मींस खोजना. तो इसका क्या मतलब करता है? कुछ एग्जामिन करना या एक्सप्लोर करना या डिस्कवर करना. उसको ये सारे जो होते हैं सिनोनिम्स, पता है ना सिनोनिम्स क्या होते हैं? सिनोनिम्स वर्सेस एंटोनिम्स. सिनोनिम्स होते हैं जिनके मतलब सेम होते हैं. जैसे मैंने अभी एग्जॉस्ट कहा था, आई एम टायर्ड. इनॉर्मस के लिए आई यूज्ड बिग, ह्यूज. तो ये सिनोनिम्स है. अगर मैं बोलूंगी इनॉर्मस इफ इट इज बिग, व्हाट इज द एंटोनिम्स व्हिच इज ऑपोजिट ऑफ बिग? किसी को पता है ऑपोजिट ऑफ बिग क्या होता है? स्मॉल, राइट? तो उस
Small.
स्मॉल, तो उसको कहते हैं एंटोनिम्स, राइट? बिकॉज इट्स द ऑपोजिट ऑफ दैट. तो चलो, इसमें से कौन सा वर्ड है अनिरुद्ध, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम यू, मैं आई एम गोइंग इन द ऑर्डर ऑफ अल्फाबेटिकली जैसे मुझे दिख रहे हो सब. आपको कौन सा वर्ड है जो आप कहते हो आप बहुत यूज करते हो, विच इज नॉट न्यू फॉर यू? अनिरुद्ध, फॉर यू?
Impress.
एम्बैरेस्ड. हाँ, तो मुझे बताओ कब यूज किया आपने, एक सेंटेंस बताओ जरा.
To see the. I impressed. To see the poor boy. I see.
अनिरुद्ध, हमें आपकी आवाज सुनाई नहीं देगी. जब तक आप जोर से नहीं बोलोगे तब तक हमें कुछ सुनाई नहीं देगा.
I impressed.
और जोर से बोलो, हमें नहीं सुनाई दे रहा. कोशिश करो.
I am embarrassed
I embarrassed
to see
to see beggar.
the beggar. अच्छा, आप ये बोलते हो, रियल में बोलते हो?
Yes. I saw.
अच्छा, ओके. तो अब खुशबू पे जाते हैं. खुशबू, which word do you use a lot?
क्या मैम?
कोई वर्ड है ऐसा जो आप यूज करते हो इन योर कॉमन लाइफ, डे टू डे
I.
लाइफ?
मैम आई.
आई?
मैम यस.
नहीं, इस लिस्ट में से कोई वर्ड यूज करते हो? नहीं करते तो इट्स ओके. नेक्स्ट टाइम जब मैं पूछूंगी ना कौन सा वर्ड हमने सीखा था, तो यू विल टेल मी, ओ यू नो व्हाट मैम, you know what Sarika, I used this word yesterday, or I used this word day before yesterday, and this is how I used it. So use करो अपनी लैंग्वेज में, डे टू डे लैंग्वेज में, ठीक है? पक्का प्रॉमिस ना, मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम पक्का पूछूंगी कि कौन सा वर्ड यूज किया था आपने, सबसे पूछूंगी मैं. साइबल, योर टर्न. Which word do you use from here? Any word that you use in your day to day life? It's okay if you haven't used it. Next time I'm going to ask you, you should have an example for me. Saibal, I think you're on mute.
Today I am happy.
Today you're happy?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell us the reason. Share it with
Yes,
us.
ma'am.
Saibal, give us more details. Anirudh also wants to hear.
So I used exhaust word and tired.
Please,
You
please,
use tired.
please.
Please.
Tired. I am when I'm tired.
When you're tired, you use this word exhausted.
Yes.
Nice, Anirudh. Good job, Anirudh. But Saibala, please, क्या बोल रहे थे? You had a story to share. You said I'm happy. Unmute.
Disappointed, opposite.
It's your birthday?
Disappointed,
Mom,
opposite.
yes. Mom, yes. Mom, this is a birthday. Mom, Tuesday is my birthday.
Today is your birthday, Khushbu?
Mom, yes. Yes, ma'am.
Happy birthday.
Ma'am,
Congratulations.
Thank
How
you.
old are you?
Ma'am, ma'am, कितने साल की हूँ मैं? I'm 20 years.
Wow. Oh, that's amazing. Now you have to tell me everything in English, okay? Try to use English as much as possible.
Yes.
Oh, good. Congratulations. Happy birthday. We are very happy for you. We should sing happy birthday song. Correct? When we wrap up, we will sing happy birthday song, okay? Let's not forget about it. साइबल क्या बोल रहा था लेकिन वो तो वो भूल ही गया. साइबल, are you with us?
साइबिल अनम्यूट कर लीजिए.
हाँ, and it has to be
Opposite, opposite. Disappointed, opposite.
opposite.
Disappointed, opposite.
Disappointed opposite. Oh,
happy,
yeah.
happy.
Oh my God, good job. मुझे समझ आ गई. आप कह रहे हो disappointed का opposite happy है. Yes, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, nice. Good. See, now we are all thinking about what are the opposites too. It's a good thing, right? Good, good. Build that memory. Build that within your, when you use the language, think about it. Think about the words that you're using. What should be the opposite? What should be the synonyms? Are there other words and meanings? Now coming to Ashish. Ashish, you've been very quiet today. Are you with us so far? Yes? Unmute kar lo.
Yes.
Okay, tell me, have you heard of any of these words or used in your day-to-day life? Disappointed, embarrassed, enormous, yeah, exhausted, yeah, explore. Have you? Look, no looking right or left, okay? Now you have to look into my eyes. Everybody.
You find their parents.
There must be parents must be there and they must be asking, okay, give me the answer. It's okay if you don't know it. That's why I'm here. नहीं आता तो it's okay. Tell me. Next time मैं पूछूंगी. Learn करके आना. I will send the screenshot to everyone. Okay? ठीक है? All right. So we will move on from words to noun. But before we do that, since we have everybody in the class right now, I wanted to remind you all, send me your resume. Saibal has already sent me a copy and we are working on it. By next Wednesday, I should have a copy to be shared with everyone. So all of you share your resume or at least one high-level pager so that we can work on it. And next step would be, I will be helping you. We will do a workshop session where we will create LinkedIn accounts for each one of us. Okay? But before that, I want at least one page high-level summary so that I can give it to somebody who's going to work on it and give us content for LinkedIn account. ठीक है, Saibal, I've received yours and I am still waiting for others. Okay, reminder.
Ashish,
Person, place, animal,
you also
something.
sent it your resume.
Which
A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, something.
Oh,
Why, yaar, ye to Saibal, you should teach the class and I should just carefully watch you. Good job. तो
मैं already भेज चुका हूँ आपको.
आपने भेज दिया अनिरुद्ध? I
Yes.
only
Yes.
got Saibals. किस पे भेजा था?
oh. He sent it to me.
Oh,
I
okay.
sent
Do
it
you
to you, ma'am.
okay. Perfect.
On
Perfect. Yeah, send
on your mail.
Yeah, on my email, send it to me and I will forward it to her. Her name is Linda and she works in my team and she's very good with communications. So she was asking if there is a sample that I am looking for. I still have to send her that sample, but she has already started working on Saibals. So we should have at least a good one pager. And we'll go from there. So the next step would be once I have if everyone's, we'll create LinkedIn account, okay? Because remember that was our target. June end या July end का हमारा target था कि we will have resume और profiles ready. So we will make sure that we do that. Okay, ये तो बहुत अच्छा हुआ यार. साइबल ने nouns already पढ़ा दिए. Now what do I have to do? मेरे पास तो 3 मिनट का वीडियो था, उसने 30 seconds में सबको noun सिखा दिया. Did everybody hear noun? क्या बोला उसने? क्या होता है noun?
A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, something.
Very
अच्छा.
good यार. Very good.
Ram, Mohan, Ganga, Patna.
वेरी नाइस. तो साइबल ने तो एग्जांपल्स भी दे दिए, डेफिनेशन भी दे दिए. किसी और को नाउन की डेफिनेशन, चलो डेफिनेशन तो नहीं, एग्जांपल आता है नाउन?
Name
बोलो.
of person, no things, animal, bird,
एग्जांपल दो. इज अनिरुद्ध अ नाउन?
horse, apple,
वेरी गुड.
table.
अनिरुद्ध नाउन है? अनिरुद्ध नाउन है?
Yes,
गुड.
I am person.
वेरी गुड. गुड. तो अब सबको समझ आ गया नाउन? खुशबू, एनी डाउट्स? यू अंडरस्टूड? खुशबू इज अ नाउन और नो? Yes, it is. Good. Give me another example of a noun. बोलो.
खुशबू अनम्यूट करके एक दो एग्जांपल और दो हमें नाउन की, अगर आपको समझ में आ गया है तो.
अगर नहीं आया तो we can go through the video or I
Yeah.
can explain you. Don't worry about it. We will spend time. We have about what, 15-20 minutes. And you know,
अनम्यूट कर लीजिए.
खुशबू आप sad क्यों लग रहे हो अब? You were so happy. चलो, good. Smile. चलो, smile कर दिया ना, वही मेरे लिए काफी है. अच्छा, the thing that you're wearing in your arm, do you think that's a noun? एक कड़ा पहना हुआ है ना आपने? Is that a noun? बैंगल है ना? बैंगल किस कैटेगरी में आएगी अगर ये नाउन है तो? प्लेस, पर्सन या थिंग?
Thing,
गुड जॉब अनिरुद्ध.
thing.
थिंग, वेरी गुड. यस, थिंग. ओके. आशीष, आपने सुना नाउन? नहीं सुना? अनम्यूट करो पहले तो. किससे बात हो रही है? मम्मी से बात हो रही है, पापा से बात हो रही है? अच्छा, मुझे एक एग्जांपल दो. हाउस बताओ. हाउस, जिस हाउस में आप रहते हो, हाउस नाउन है या नहीं?
Now,
वेरी गुड. इट इज अ नाउन. गुड जॉब. आई थिंक अब सबको थोड़ी थोड़ी नाउन की डेफिनेशन समझ आ गई. बहुत अच्छे तरीके से, अगर मतलब इजी टू रिमेम्बर तरीका बताऊं नाउन का, जिस भी चीज को आप छू सकते हो, देख सकते हो, फील कर सकते हो, राइट, दैट मोस्टली इज अ नाउन. एक और कॉन्सेप्ट होता है एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन का, उसके बारे में भी हम बात नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि हम कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे। अभी हमें सिर्फ ये याद रखना है कि अगर वो 3 चीजें हैं, क्या 3 चीजें हैं? प्लेस, पर्सन एंड अ थिंग। अगर आपको ये चीजें याद रहेंगी, जो कि आप छू सकते हो, देख सकते हो, सुन सकते हो, ऐसी सेंसेस को यूज करने वाली चीजें होती हैं, वो नाउन कैटेगरी में आती हैं। कूल। नाउ should we go into the story or you still want to watch the video for noun? बोलो, दिखाएं? 3 मिनट का वीडियो है। We do have time, 15 minutes हम स्टोरी कर सकते हैं। Okay, I will play the video. मेरी एक्सेल तो मत ही देखना। Everybody knows how to use Excel by the way? Does anybody know? आप जब डेटा एंट्री का कोर्स करते हो तो एक्सेल यूज करते हो ना? Do you want to learn some cool formulas in Excel? One day I can teach you some tricks also. आप बोलोगे अरे 5+5 तो मेरे को हाथ में करते करते इतना टाइम लग गया, एक्सेल में मैम ने सारे का ने इतनी जल्दी करके दिखा दिया। आता है किसी को ऐड करना? आता है सम माइनस एक्सेल में? आता है? वेरी गुड खुशबू, दैट्स नाइस, गुड टू नो। ओके, तो खुशबू हमें सिखाएगी नेक्स्ट टाइम। खुशबू ठीक है, एक दिन 5 मिनट की हमें क्लास होगी टू टीच अस एक्सेल। ओके कूल, अब हम यही करेंगे, ठीक है? धीरे धीरे आगे जाके you will all teach us 5 minutes में what are your strengths. This way we'll work on what? Speaking skills. Anyways, I did digress, I agree. Digress का मतलब पता है क्या होता है? अपने path से move हो जाना, आप कहीं जा रहे हो और कहीं और चले जाओ, तो that's digress. All right, let's hear. I love this video, okay? The music especially. Let's see if I can again start sharing because I want to share audio too. And this is desktop too. Let's see. बताना audio आ रही है या नहीं, thumbs up करके. Very loud. आ रही है? This is really funny. I love this video.
What is a noun? Everybody sing. A noun is a person, place or thing. What is a noun? Everybody sing.
Sing karna
A noun is a person, place or thing. A noun is the name of a person. Like this: teacher, scientist, singer, mother, firefighter, dancer, sister, brother. A noun is the name of a place. Like this: library, schoolyard, restaurant, hall, office, stadium, classroom, mall. A noun is the name of a thing. Like this: bicycle, pencil, pumpkin, car, football, computer, iPod, star. What is a noun? Everybody sing. A noun is a person, place or thing.
अब देखो याद रहेगा ना सबको? Noun is a person, place or thing. ये तो song बन गया. Do you think you'll remember it or no? मैं पूछूंगी next time noun क्या था. And you know what? कोशिश करो कि you don't have to look at your mom or dad to ask for answers because you know it. अपने आसपास कितनी सारी चीजें हैं, you can touch and feel, you can see, and they are things, mostly they are things or people also, right? So you can actually call out a noun very easily. अभी मेरे पास एक बॉटल पड़ी हुई है, it's a noun, correct? तो बहुत ही easy है ये चीज. Anyways, तो अब next topic पे चलते हैं अपने. And you can still see my screen. Let's do story time. Okay, so today's story is actually Ginger the Giraffe. बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी है, ध्यान से सुनोगे तो काफी मजा आएगा. एंड कौन वॉलंटियर करना चाहता है टू रीड द फर्स्ट लाइन? वॉलंटियर का मतलब पता है कि यू वांट टू गिव इट अ शॉट. कोई है? कोई हैंड रेस कर रहा है? आई डोंट सी एनी हैंड्स.
Yes, ma'am.
Anirudh, you will read first line. You want to volunteer?
Not open a time 3 cos A
Giraffe.
named Ginger.
Awesome, good job अनिरुद्ध. अभी ना जब जब कोई ऐसे इतना अच्छा काम करेगा ना तो मैं स्माइलीज देना भी शुरू करूंगी. मेरे यहाँ पे दिख नहीं रही मुझे. I'll find out a way. Reactions. Okay. ये लो, हमने फायर क्रैकर्स चलाए हैं अभी क्योंकि
Thank
आपने इतना अच्छा किया.
Thank you, ma'am. वो तो
You're welcome अनिरुद्ध. और अब सेकंड में कौन वॉलंटियर करना चाहता है? सेकंड लाइन. फिर मैं जल्दी से स्टोरी सुनाऊंगी. और कौन करेगा? आशीष, आप बहुत क्वाइट बैठे हो आज. आज आप ही सेकंड लाइन पढ़ दो. चलो, छोटी सी लाइन है ये देखो.
आशीष,
ये देखो छोटी सी लाइन है ये वाली. अगर नहीं आता इट्स ओके. हम कभी और सेशन में रीडिंग कैसे करते हैं वो भी कर सकते हैं, सीख सकते हैं. राइट, वी कैन लर्न दैट. बट आई थिंक यू नो इट, है ना आशीष?
आशीष अनम्यूट करिए बेटा.
यस मैम.
तो बोलो सेकंड लाइफ. सेकंड लाइफ. सेकंड लाइन.
नहीं आता.
नहीं आता. मेरे साथ साथ बोलोगे? Do you want to try with me?
Yes.
Okay, let's try with me. Ginger. You know what I'm doing? I'm splitting into half ताकि syllables बन जाएं, easy to read. So कैसे है? बोलो मेरे साथ. Ginger.
अनम्यूट करके मैम के साथ बोलिए आप.
आशीष बोलो ginger.
Ginger.
Yes.
Lived.
Live.
Live. In. I-N in.
In.
Kenya.
Kenya.
A country. कैसे? Country.
Country.
In Africa. Good job. See, you can try.
A ginger lived in Kenya, country in Africa.
Good job, Saibul. Very nice. You okay? You want water? Okay. खुशबू, अब तो साइबल ने भी बोल दिया. Now I think you should try. Last, ये मतलब third line. Like. ये आता है?
क्या?
ये क्या है? ALL. All.
On.
ये क्या है? आता है ये? Read करना. This line.
G.
Giraffes.
Back.
Very good. Ginger. ये कोशिश करो छोटा ही है.
HAD. Head.
Very good. Ginger had a
Red. A.
हाँ
LONG.
बोलो. क्या बन रहा है? साउंड क्या? L क्या साउंड बनाता है? Long. And ये क्या है? NECK. हाँ, तो क्या होता है ये लो, बिग कर दिया मैंने इसको. Neck. Long. Good. And long.
No.
ये क्या है?
LEGS.
हाँ, बोलो क्या बना? Legs. Good job. Good. अभी हम एक दिन क्या करेंगे? We will sit and just go through the sounds also, because all these words they make a sound and that makes it easier to read. Okay, so we will try that one day. Okay, I will go through the story. I will translate it wherever required. Okay, you have to tell me that, can you translate it for me? I'm not getting it. Give me feedback. I'll explain. So let's go through the story. Once upon a time, there was a giraffe named Ginger. Ginger lived in Kenya, a country in Africa. Like all giraffes, Ginger had a long neck and long legs. Because she was so tall, she was able to eat food from the very tops of the trees in the savannah. And now, where is the savannah? The savannah in Africa is an area with lots of grass and some trees. Sometimes a savannah is called grasslands. The other animals like zebras and antelopes could not reach where Ginger could reach. Why? Why do you think Ginger could reach the top and not the other animals like zebra and antelopes? Because they did not have a very long neck. Good job. Now, but Ginger always found food. She loved the leaves and the new buds of the trees. See, this is the giraffe. This is the antelope. One day, Ginger was busy eating her favorite leaves along with some other giraffes. It was a bright sunny day and there was not a cloud in the sky. Looks like काफी dry day था. It had not rained for a long time, so the grass was very dry. खुशबू समझ आ रही है story? Are you able? Yes?
Yes.
अगर नहीं आ रही तो बताओ. I will start translating it for you. Because this way you want to, you will understand English, right? Gradually you will understand. Okay. तो थोड़ा थोड़ा मैं इसको ट्रांसलेट भी करती रहूंगी, ठीक है? ओके, तो क्या बोल रहा है कि जिंजर जो था वो बहुत बिजी था अपनी फेवरेट लीव्स खाने में. वो अपने कुछ फ्रेंड्स जिराफ्स के साथ ही वाज ईटिंग लीव्स, राइट? और शी वाज ईटिंग लीव्स. इट वाज अ ब्राइट सनी डे एंड देयर वाज नॉट अ क्लाउड इन द स्काई. मतलब कुछ क्लाउड्स ही नहीं थे और बहुत सनी डे था. इट वाज अ हॉट डे, गर्म डे था. Now she heard a noise at the bottom of her extra long legs. अब उसकी तो बहुत लंबी टांगे थी, राइट? तो उसको कुछ नॉइज सी सुनाई दी. It was her friend Mickey, the monkey.
Monkey.
Yeah, the monkey. See, you can read it, right? Monkey.
Monkey.
Yeah. Mickey was trying to say something, but Ginger couldn't understand what he was saying. Now Mickey कुछ बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा है, Ginger को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. He looked very tired. What's wrong? Ginger asked. Now Ginger is asking, what's wrong with you? यहाँ पे picture में भी दिखाया हुआ है. See, they're both talking. Ginger was a very kind giraffe and wanted to help everyone. तो बहुत अच्छा giraffe है, उसको सबको help करनी है. But क्या हुआ? You know, he was very close to the top of giraffe's legs. But just then Mickey fell over. वो गिर गया. अब वो गिर के यहाँ पे बैठा हुआ है. ये दोनों बातें कर रहे हैं. He's feeling tired. She wants to help. Let's see what happens. Ginger was also a very smart giraffe. She knew what was wrong. Mickey couldn't find anything to eat and he was hungry, very hungry. अब उसको भूख लग रही थी और वो कुछ उसे मिल नहीं रहा था. Why do you think he wasn't able to find anything? You know why? He was short. सारे plants dried up हो चुके हैं because it was hot. There were no clouds. It had not rained for a long time. तो जब food ही नहीं है तो वो कहाँ से लेगा? And he's short. तो नीचे का तो ground level का तो जल्दी dry up हो जाता है ना, because the roots are very smaller. For the trees, the roots are larger. So they do have water content, and that's why some of the leaves are still fresh. Let's see what happens. Ginger nibbled some fresh, tender leaves and buds from the top of the trees where she was eating. She dropped some of the leaves and buds to the ground where Mickey was. तो उसने थोड़ी सी leaves ली और नीचे drop कर दी. Then she nudged him a little. उसने little poke किया उसको with the hoof at the bottom of one of her long legs. So इससे उसने अपने पैर के कोने से उसको nudge किया. Wake up, Mickey, said Ginger. I have found something for you to eat. Slowly Mickey sat up and ate a little. तो वो जल्दी से नहीं, actually slowly वो उठा, बैठा और उसने खाना शुरू किया. After a while, when Mickey was feeling better, कैसे better feel कर रहा था? Because he had something to eat. When you don't have food for a long time, what do you feel? You feel tired, right? You feel fatigued. You feel another word. Tired का कौन सा word आज हमने पढ़ा था? Who'll tell me what we learned today? एक word जो tired synonym है उसका?
Yost.
Exhausted. Good job. Exhaust. Yes. So what's happening with the other animals? Oh, we moved a little far. Let's go here back again. Yeah, after a while, when Mickey was feeling better, Ginger asked him, "What's happened, Mickey? Why are you so hungry? Why can't you find anything to eat?" Mickey said, "It hasn't rained for so long and there was no more food." So see, I told you, right? They weren't getting food. खाना नहीं मिल रहा था उनको. That's not good, said Ginger. अब Ginger को तो ये बात अच्छी नहीं लगी. Remember Ginger's personality that she wants to help everyone? So now she's asking, what's happening with the other animals? No one knows what to do, answered Mickey. So they're all confused. They're all figuring out what do we do. सब लोग सोच रहे हैं कि क्या करना चाहिए. All the zebras and the antelopes and the elephants are getting worried about the dry grass. Remember I said grass jaldi dry हो जाता है because it has very small roots. ऊपर का level water का बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाता है, dry up हो जाता है because of sun. And then as you go deeper into the soil, there is more water. तो अब वो तो grass dry हो रहा है. Now some of them are thinking about leaving the savannah and trying to reach the jungle. Oh, वो सोच रहे हैं कि हम savannah से चले जाएं और jungle में चले जाएं. But jungle must be far, right? See, that's a long trip, said Ginger. Are you going to go with them? Let's see. What do they do? I don't know, answered Mickey. What do you think we should do? Ginger thought for a while and then suddenly she had a good idea. We should go talk to Leo the lion. You know lion को क्या कहते हैं? King of the jungle? किसी ने Jungle King देखी है? Movie? नहीं? Yes? No? No? नहीं देखी है? ओहो, okay. One day हम वो भी देखते हैं. 15 minutes करके 4-5 दिन में movie निकालेंगे. Okay. Now, he's the smartest animal in the savannah. Mickey was too tired to walk, so Ginger invited him to ride on her back. But Socho, Ginger is so nice, right? She's telling that you can ride on my back. Hold on tight to my neck, said Ginger. There's a lot to hold on to, joked Mickey. Ginger laughed. You're right. I've got the longest neck in Africa. So they started their journey across to the other side of savannah to look for Leo. Okay, since we have 1 minute, I just want to keep this picture here and ask if anybody has any questions because it's about time to wrap up. किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है, कोई थॉट है, कोई कंसर्न है और कुछ फीडबैक देना है कि व्हाट आई शुड डू इन माय नेक्स्ट क्लास इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू समथिंग. कुछ किसी को कुछ आइडिया है कि व्हाट दे वांट टू डू, व्हाट दे वांट टू सी? नो फीडबैक? मतलब इतना अच्छा लग रहा है आपको, कोई फीडबैक ही नहीं है? हाँ, सोचना, मम्मी और डैडी से बात करना, सोचना और मुझे फीडबैक देना, ठीक है? We want to work together. We want to improve this class because the aim is it should benefit you. अगर आपको कोई फायदा नहीं हो रहा है तो मेरा भी कोई फायदा नहीं हो रहा है. मेरा फायदा तब है जब आपको फायदा होगा, ठीक है? Make sense? Think about it. Give me feedback next time. We will continue to do our grammar. We'll continue to read. Resume मेरा फिर भी focus है, as I told you, right? We will build upon LinkedIn profiles and hopefully we'll be able to get you all a job based on your skill set, right? That will be our ultimate goal. I still have that ultimate goal in my mind. So help me, help you. ठीक है?
Hello, good morning, madam.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Good
you.
morning.
I'm Anu's father. Madam, if you can send the story to the mail so a student can read it or maybe write
Sure.
it from.
Sure. I'll send the PDF version of it. Yes. Happy
Okay.
to do that. But where should I do it again? On the message, right? You want me to send it via WhatsApp?
Madam,
I will see.
we have sent a mail to last week that last week you had those studies, those story have you told Please
Hide and seek.
so
Okay, okay.
I'll send a email to you.
I didn't get the email. It looks like Raki has it. Once she forwards me, then
I
I'll send
have
you.
resume of Anirudh and not any other story or anything else. I have only resume.
No, but you have the resume coming from an email ID, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that email ID I need. So I have Saibal's email ID, and then I would have Anirudh's. Khushbu, you also send me yours. My details are there in WhatsApp, and Ashish, you also send me yours. Okay? I'll make sure that I send across the story then. I'll send the older one also, which we did hide and seek. Remember Chupan Chupai? And then I'll send you all this also.
Okay.
Perfect, perfect.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Yes.
Take care, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
पढ़ के
Thank
आना,
you.
पढ़ के आना, मैं बता रही हूँ, पढ़ के आना. ठीक है? Okay,
Thank
bye.
you so much,
Bye.
ma'am.
Thank you, bye.
मेल दूंगी email ID किसी से कर लेंगे.